Hello my people, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming by, you are highly welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to make your ice cream with these two ingredients, the whipping cream and the condensed milk. And I'll be using my mixer to beat the whipping cream to peak. Watch and enjoy. I'll be using the high speed to beat the whipping cream. Remember to subscribe, like what we're doing, comment and share. Thank you. It does not take so long to do, so it's something that you can do at the comfort of your home. As you can see, it's almost ready. You can see the whipping cream is already picked, so I'm gonna scrape some path and then add the condensed milk into it. I'm mixing it together, but you don't have to mix it for so long, just for highest like 1 minute. As you can see, our ice cream is ready. I'm pouring it into the container that I will use to freeze it for 2 hours. Okay, I'm gonna close it and put it into my freezer, and it's gonna stay for 2 hours. Okay, our ice cream is ready. This is after 2 hours. As you can see, it came out well. Wow, so good. You have to try this. It's so easy to make. With this, you don't have to buy anymore from the supermarket. You can make it at the comfort of your home. Wow. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like what we're doing, always like, and remember to click on your notification bell so that anytime we post you'll be able to see, and share. Please share and comment. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.